Although EWEADN gifted me this keyboard, all thoughts and opinions are my own. This is the EWEADN V102, a compact 98-key wired keyboard designed for both gaming and productivity. As soon as you plug it in, you get dynamic RGB backlighting with 12 lighting effects, easily customized with a single key combo. The dedicated control knob lets you switch lighting modes, adjust brightness, or even control your volume, and the built-in screen shows your real-time status like caps lock and numlock. The keys feel smooth and quiet with a creamy typing sound that's satisfying without being loud. Perfect for long work or gaming sessions. I love the compact 98 key layout. It saves space, but still gives you a full number pad and all the function keys you need. With its ergonomic design and adjustable typing angles, it's super comfortable, whether you're gaming, coding, or editing videos. The Type-C wired connection means instant response with zero lag. No dropped keystrokes, no interruptions. So whether you're gaming or working, the EWEADN V102 adds that perfect mix of performance and personality to your setup. The EWEADN V102 wired keyboard. Simple, stylish, and designed for the way you work and play.